moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damaged roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Boonesboro, Mount Lena, and San Martin around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pleasant Walk, Keedasville, Warnersville, Myersville, Oliver, and Sharpsburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Whoa!
Those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. Now, this dangerous storm will be near Boonesboro, Mount Lena, San Juan, and they should hit soon. Other locations impacted include Pleasant Walk, Keedasville, Roarsville, Myersville, Oliver, and Sharpsburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Again, a tornado warning is in effect for east central Washington County in Maryland and northwestern Frederick County in Maryland until 6:15 p.m. For this year, the first is to collect information.